What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make Gboard the default keyboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on keyboard list and default, and then click on default keyboard option on the top. Now from here select the language of your Gboard. So I have downloaded a lot of language for my Gboard. So from here select language, and then the keyboard will be selected as your default keyboard. So that's how you can make Gboard the default keyboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.